Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Impreza. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, iHeartRadio, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, audio, internet radio, AHA. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. Come see the car for yourself.